Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Venu Sq2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on the watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on the watch, your watch needs to be paired with an iPhone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Garmin Connect application to send the notifications to our watch. So let's open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, scroll down to the list of applications, and on the list of applications find the Garmin Connect. It's called Connect. Tap on it, and here make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. Also tap on notifications and make sure that the allow notifications is enabled. Once you enable both of the options, scroll up through the settings and then tap on the Bluetooth options, or option rather, my bad. In Bluetooth menu, you should see the list called My Devices, and on it you should see the Venu Sq2. Tap on the info icon next to it, and you should see the option called Share System Notifications. Make sure that this option is enabled. Once the option is enabled, you can close the settings and open the Garmin Connect application. The iPhone. In the application, you can tap on More, scroll down, tap on Garmin Devices, and select the Venu Sq2 from the list. And right here, scroll down, find the option called Connectivity. Oh, my bad. Connectivity. Then tap on Phone, and here tap on Notifications. And as you can see, we have a couple of options right here. We have During Activity, Not During Activity, Timeout, and Privacy. During activity means basically when you're tracking the activity on your watch, like running, cycling, and stuff like that. Not during activity is everything besides the tracking the activity, and timeout is how quickly the notification will disappear from the screen, and privacy option, I believe, allows you to perform some action or gesture to view the notifications. Okay, first let's tap on During Activity, and here we have Show All, Calls Only, Calls and Texts off. So basically you can select which type of notifications will appear on the screen during the activity. You can select one of them by tapping on one. Next we have the Not During Activity, and you can select again Show All, Calls Only, Calls and Texts, and Off. Select the one you like. Next we have Timeout, like I said before, basically how quickly the notification will disappear from the screen when it arrives, and you can tap on Short, Medium, or Long. And the privacy option, we have Off, Action, and Gesture. Select the one you like. And once you're done customizing your notifications, you should be able to receive them on your watch. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. We should get it on our iPhone. For some reason we're not getting the notification. Let me quickly turn on the Do Not Disturb mode and turn it off. Maybe now we will receive the notification. We got it now, and as you can see, we got the notification on our iPhone and also on our watch. And if you miss the notification on your watch, you can always, I believe, swipe up on the screen, scroll through the list of glances, and find the notification one right here, and you can tap on it to open the notifications menu. And here we have the list of notifications. There's quite a few of them, as you can see, and you can tap on them to read them. You can clear them right here. You can also, I believe, swipe. Oh, no, you can't. So basically you need to tap on the notification and tap on Clear to clear them. There should be also Clear All button, but I don't see it. Maybe we need to press and hold the... Yes, we need to press and hold the lower button, and here we can tap on Reorder Remove. Oh, no, never mind. This is the glance. So I don't know if you can clear them all immediately, but you can clear them by tapping on one and tapping on here and tapping clear. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.